last vlog. We did a little bit of decor shopping. I put up one tree, but I did not finish putting up the garland because we needed zip ties. I had those said zip ties today, so I did have to order them. So we will probably put the rest of our decorations up today in this vlog. Probably not today, but maybe. I put up my tree and I just have the tree up, but I don't have the ornaments on. I think tonight I'm actually going to take out my other tree from my other living room and pull that up because the kids have been asking to put that up, and we'll just put on the ornaments when we get a chance to. That does take a lot of time, so I'm not trying to rush that, but that is like an all-day affair, and that is a weekend thing. That's not a weeknight thing. Sorry. We actually have someone outside putting up Christmas lights on the house, and I'm so excited because I think we're gonna be the first in the neighborhood to actually have their Christmas lights up. Maybe not. I saw a few folks with Christmas lights up already. And I'm drinking out of my Nutcracker mug. So I'm excited for that. Yeah, so tonight we'll probably put up a tree and maybe just have some cozy dinner tonight. I have some stuffed peppers that I bought from Sam's Club that I'm probably just gonna throw in the oven and have those. Also eating an oatmeal raisin cookie. Oh my God. These cookies are so good. I think I'm gonna make my own cookies soon because I've been in this cookie mode. I also want Cinnabons. So I'm definitely gonna bake this Vlogmas, so tune in for that. But I have to go back to work. I just wanted to intro. If you're new here, welcome or welcome back to Vlogmas. My name is Alicia, and we're doing Vlogmas Active. Hope you've been enjoying. It's only been 2 days, but we'll do some more festive things today. So yeah, bye.
Check out this super cute lounge set that I picked up from Walmart. Yes, Walmart. The quality is so good on this. It's so comfy and so warm. Perfect for days at home or a work from home girly like myself. It's so comfy. I washed it and the quality is still good. I will link it below. Pick this up if you want. Are about to die, but good morning. We're putting the tree together. Last night just didn't work out, so we're gonna try and get it done today. Uh-oh, pitter patter of feet. We're gonna see how much we get done. Tree, I have to decorate the entire tree.
Okay, I think it's time
for the dog to come out. Extreme!
Show you guys what I was doing. I have this ribbon from last year, 3 years actually, and I made these little bows. There's a creator on here on YouTube that named Jenny Loves Christmas, and she taught me how to decorate the tree. There's a system. I'll link her video below. She's like really obsessed with Christmas. She does Christmas 365. But anyway, she taught me how to do these bows. She also taught me how to decorate the tree the best way. And last night I started and forgot about this ribbon that I had. Even though I've been using it for 3 years, I still forget. Like, I still forget. So I'm lining the tree with these. The focus is the more voluminous bows I'm putting at the bottom, kind of with the trail, and then I have the gold that kind of goes in fillers, but it helps fill like the gaps that are in there, and also the large ornaments. But that's what I'm doing. I give her a spin so I can like see where to place it or what's missing. It helps. Okay, I'm also using these like green, what are these called? What are these called? What are these called? Fuzzy worms. What are these called? Pipe cleaner. And I just use these to tie it. I also have used like fisher's twine as well, but these work just as fine. You can do whatever you think is best, but it does help stay in place. This is wire ribbon, so you can kind of, which is makes it easier to kind of fluff up and bring back to life. So okay, I'm finally at the gold. Whew, I'm finally at the gold part. This is taking so long because my kids keep asking me for stuff. I tried to do it late last night, but they were up late, of course. And you guys saw.